Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility and registering so dates are fixed. This prevents wasted planning time. Next, collect textbooks and the OAT content outline so you know exact topics to cover. Then take a timed diagnostic practice test to see where you lose time and which sections need the most work. Once done, translate weaknesses into a prioritized list of chapters and skills. Make sure to schedule 2 3-hour study blocks in your calendar right away and treat them as firm appointments. You now construct a 12-16-week plan that breaks material into weekly targets and daily micro-goals. This prevents overwhelm and keeps momentum. Alternate content review with active practice. Do problem sets, flashcards, and spaced repetition to reinforce memory. Regularly take full-length timed tests to build stamina and adjust pacing. Once you see recurring mistakes, add focused drills and an error log so you correct misunderstandings, not just repeat them. Make sure to block review sessions for older material every 1-2 weeks to retain gains. You enter the final phase by tapering study volume while intensifying targeted practice on your weakest topics. This consolidates gains and prevents burnout. Run several full simulations under realistic conditions to sharpen timing and endurance. The day before, prioritize sleep, do light review, and confirm test center logistics and materials so nothing surprises you. If your score plateaus, switch resources or add a tutor for targeted gaps. This change often breaks stagnation. Finally, maintain steady breathing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.